Early morning rebound for U.S. equities after yesterday's just absolute debacle, and that rebound is gaining steam. It was actually falling in towards the open, coming off of its overnight highs in the futures markets, but now has picked up steam as I speak to you right now. I've got the NASDAQ up 1.68%. I've got the S&P up 1.22%, the Russell up 1.64%, and the Dow up a little less than 1%. Now, Google and Boeing missed on earnings, but T-Mobile and Microsoft beat. Microsoft especially kind of helping the tech sector out a little bit. Google had a rare miss and the stock was getting hurt, but it is kind of stabilizing along with the broader market as I speak to you, and yields are pretty stable overall. The second wave of the buying in the indexes came as yields came off a little bit. Right now, we've got the 2-year down 2 basis points, the 5-year down 4 basis points, the 10-year and the 30-year both down 2 basis points, and the yield curve is kind of flat versus yesterday's settlement. Now, Russia has halted gas sales and shipments to Poland and Bulgaria, making good on one of their promises that if they don't get paid in rubles, they're going to halt shipments. This has kind of escalated things for the EU, and it dropped the euro briefly to its lowest level since 2017. We've now got the euro down 5 straight days, and we're looking at some strong weakness there compared to some strong inflation numbers that they've had recently. Pretty tough spot for the ECB, and we're looking at low German yields versus US 10-year. So going to be keeping an eye on that going forward. Now, looking ahead, earnings today after the close include 3 big ones we've been waiting for: Facebook, Qualcomm, and PayPal, but also Amgen, Ford Motor Company, and Discover Financial. Now, tomorrow before the open, a slew of interesting companies putting out their earnings, including MasterCard, Eli Lilly, Merck, Thermo Fisher, McDonald's, Comcast, Caterpillar, Hershey's, and Twitter. In terms of data tonight, we get a Bank of Japan interest rate decision. That will be interesting in lieu of some of the yen weakness we've been seeing lately. Then tomorrow morning, we get the ECB's annual report, German inflation figures, and U.S. advanced first quarter GDP figures.